Hi, Trapnest here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be starting a new series of videos where I will be teaching you really quick tips that don't necessarily need a full-length video, but are important enough that they deserve its own video. And the first thing I wanna teach you about is Ableton's collections. This is a workflow tool available for free on Ableton 10. And it's something that is really simple, but it has completely changed my workflow and even the way I produce music. If you haven't used it yet, I'm 99% sure that it's gonna be really helpful to you as well. But before we get started, I want to let you know that I have an entire music production course available for free here on my channel. You can follow the links in the description or wait until the end of the video to learn more about it. Okay, now we can get started. If this is your first time using collections, then you probably won't see all 7 colors, but that's fine, we're gonna create some more. You can assign a color to absolutely anything in the browser. Audio effects, MIDI effects, or even instruments, anything. You can assign multiple colors, but you will be only able to see 3 colors at the same time. And that's pretty much it. It's really simple, but now I'm gonna show you how I use it. I have 7 categories with things that I use most of the time when I'm working in the studio or I'm creating my own music. Numbers 1 and 2 are for music production mostly. 3 through 5 are for mixing. I do a lot of mixing in the studio, so it's really important for me to have it available really quick. For number 3, I put reverb and delay together because to me they serve a similar function, that is to manipulate the space in the mix. Number 4 has EQ and compressors because, again, similar function, it's just to manipulate the dynamics. Number 5 is for vocal related stuff like autotunes and vocal doublers, etc, etc. Number 6 is utility stuff. It's just miscellaneous plugins that I can use for a multitude of tasks like pannings, utility plugin that is really helpful when it comes to automating volumes. And lastly, I have my mastering stuff, and this is the only category where I will have repeated plugins. Like you can see here, I have this saturation both in sound design and mastering, but that's because mastering is its own process and I want to know what tools I have available for this particular process. The whole point of this tool is simplicity. Nothing worse than getting in the zone and then you suddenly need a plugin and you don't remember where to find it, or you have like a million different plugins. That's all it takes to get you out of the zone. Number 2, only add plugins that you really use. If it's a new plugin or you rarely use it, don't. Simplicity. Number 3, it's completely fine to test different ideas until you find what adapts better to your workflow. Don't just do it once and then set it in stone. Number 4, if you're using an Ableton Push 2, this will make loading plugins directly from Push much easier. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, suggestions, or just wanna say hi, leave a comment below. If you want more content from me, then you can follow me on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now let me tell you a little more about my music production course. These videos were created for beginners and less experienced producers that might be struggling creating songs from beginning to end. There's only so much that you can learn from a 15-20 minute video when it comes to creating an entire song, so I created 5+ hours of content available completely for free on this channel. By the end of this course, you will have a really good idea of everything you need to know in order to one day become a full-time music producer. And by the end of this course, I really hope that you will feel more confident with the idea that music is not some mystic art that will take a decade to learn, but is as anything else, it's just a matter of practice. Check the description, it will have the link for the course and also the links for my social media and the music I produce. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.